Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create your own 2023 recap videos in just a step using CapCut. So to easily create your own recap video, you can just use the CapCut template. So you need to head to the templates tab and click on the search column at the top and type in 2023 recap. Just one. So when you go to the keyword, you will see there are a bunch of 2023 recap that you can use. You can just choose which one that you think fits your style the best. Just choose one. Okay, these are the templates. I'm going to try use maybe this one. Click on the use template, then select the photos or videos from your library to add it to the template. So for example, I'm going to add photos into my recap. Okay, after that, click on next, wait for the effects to load, and just like that, your recap video will be created within seconds. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.